What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of the modern man. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a beard product that I recently just picked up, and it is the SheaMoisture. So I got the whole pack right here. I got the whole pack on deck. I got the 4-step process of the Shea moisturizer for your beard care, and it is the morning right now, so I'm a little groggy, but that's okay though. That's okay. We're gonna get it done. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe in the section down below so more people can see it, and also hit the notification bell so you guys get the latest content updates on this channel. So I'm gonna show you guys my review off of this. I'm basically gonna apply each step, show you guys what I do, and after I get the results, I'm gonna show you my feedback off of it. Tell you guys, should you buy it, should you not, don't like about it, what I do like about it, do I recommend it? I'm gonna answer all those questions throughout this video. Let's go. So yet again, guys, if you know anyone that wants to improve their beard care, they want to improve their grooming, they want to improve their men's fashion, definitely send any of these videos out and let's go forward. Okay, so since it is the morning and I woke up with my hoodie on, flex. So first step I'm gonna apply is the beard wash. So this is the first step I'm gonna apply. Deep clean and refresh, look good, smell good. So I'm gonna basically apply some of this into my beard, and I'll let you know how it goes. I just splashed some water in my face. Beard wash is right here. I'm gonna apply a dime size onto my finger. Depending on the beard length, I'm gonna just basically determine how much I wanna put on. Sometimes I'll put a dime size, maybe I'll put a little more, but I put like a dime size and a half. Now let's put this all into that beard. Okay, so as it goes into the beard, it's easy to apply. It's very soapy, you know, very shampoo-y, where it kind of just flows in the beard. There's no problems of navigating it any further. It smells good, it has a light smell, it smells like almonds. I had a dream last night that I was beardless. I'm not gonna lie. I had a dream that I had no facial hair. And I looked at myself in the mirror and all I saw was cheekbones, bro. All I saw was definition, bro. Like my face was kind of like, it was like chin and then hella cheekbones. So you got chin and then hella cheekbones. It was crazy. I actually rocked with it. I was like, man, if this is me, then it's me. But I woke up and I was like, it's good so far as a beard wash. I'm gonna apply a little more. I feel like I'm missing some other areas on my face, so I'll put this on the side here. So just like your hair, you wanna be able to cleanse your beard, hit the follicles at the root so you guys can get rid of the dirt, bacteria, and odor. We're good. Nice. So second step, we are getting into the detangler. Softens hair, easy outs, the knots, looks good, smells great. Let's do it. This substance is covered, okay, it's like a thick cream. Before, the other one was pretty light, but this is a thick cream base. So I'm gonna apply this into my hand, rub it around like that, and just apply like that. It really feels like cream, like you were putting like body lotion onto your body, but just for your beard, really soft. I can really feel this loosening up my hairs for sure. Everything's a lot more looser. Everything's a lot more softer. And after that, you start to look good. After I put that detangler in, which I am deeply satisfied with the detangler, I'm gonna use my beard comb, my beard pick, just to pick it out, just so we see what we're working with. And as you guys would see from before, when I started this video, that was my beard before. Now it has the beard wash, now the detangler, and this is what it looks like now. So I'm giving it some volume, I'm picking it out. I'm just seeing the length, I'm just seeing the circumference of what I have. We'll apply this detangler. Nice. So that's good to know. Now we're going into the next step. Now going into the third step, we are going to be looking at the beard conditioning oil. Moisturize and soften. Look good, smell great. This is not a commercial. So I will put in a dime size, like it is a tradition. Boom. That's a dime. This is the beard conditioning oil. Oh, it's a lot more thicker. It's kind of like JBC, Jamaican black castor oil, but not so thick on the substance. So I'm applying that into my beard. This is the conditioning oil. Yeah, it definitely does smell like almonds. There's definitely a theme here going on. So this is just gonna help me have my beard on point throughout the whole day, so I don't run into any problems of dryness or feeling uncomfortable or itchiness. So that's the beard conditioning oil. Fourth step. We are here, baby. We are here. We are at the fourth step now. How you feeling, son? How you feeling? Okay, beard balm. Shape, smooth, and define. Look good, smell great. We're gonna be applying this right now. So beard balm is meant for you, just as it said. Shaping, smoothing, and define. So I have used this before. I made a video, but I was so tired from that video and I lost the files when I was uploading the video. It was a day I ran, I think 11K. I was just KO'd. Long story short, I lost the files, importing them onto my computer. Had to redo this all over again. I'm so happy to do it now. I just feel a lot more better than before. So let's get right into this. So it comes in a thick paste right here, as you guys see. So you kind of really gotta dig your hands into it to break it up. Like a dime size into my hand. This is the thickest substance out them all. I'm gonna basically define my beard. I'm gonna give it some shape. I'm gonna give it some life, baby. So I'm gonna put this in my beard. I'm gonna rub down the direction I wanna take it. Now I'm giving the beard some shape, some definition with the beard balm. Smells fine. It smells in sync with everything else. It smells a little bit like Vaseline, but nevertheless, it's fine. Very thick on the substance. I feel good using this product. I feel confident using this product. So after I pick it out, I'm gonna give it some shape and define it with my hand, and that would be the process. There you go. Money. There you go. So that is my process. So I defined my beard right here, and that is it. So I went through the 4-step process with SheaMoisture, and I'm gonna give you guys my review here. So first of all, I do like the product. I do recommend it to you guys. This isn't a sponsored video, so it's my true honesty here. And each product costs about $11.50 depending where you live. I live in Canada. You can pick this up on the website at Walmart. So in total, you're paying about maybe $55 plus for the plus the tax. If you have a beard or you're starting to grow a beard, definitely apply this product into your routine. Let me know in the comment section down below how it goes for you. Let me know if you actually use these products, and also let me know if you guys want me to review any other beard care products. That is pretty much it, guys. So I'm happy you guys enjoyed this video. I'm happy you guys stuck through until the end. Make sure you guys subscribe at the section down below. Share this content with anyone you do know that's interested in beard care, fashion, and grooming. And also, so we can gain more traction for this channel. Yet again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. And I'll see you guys soon. I'm about to take care of my skin right now. Peace.